Could Google be making the Pixel 9a feel less premium just to keep the cost down? A new leak has surfaced, giving us an early look at Google's upcoming budget-friendly smartphone, and the design changes might not be what you expect. A video recently appeared online showcasing the Pixel 9a ahead of its official announcement. While the original video was taken down quickly, Shane Craig shared screenshots on Threads, allowing us to get a closer look at the phone's design. Right away, one thing is clear. Google seems to be taking a different approach with this model. The leaked images show the Pixel 9a in obsidian, a deep black color similar to previous Pixel models. But beyond the color, the overall build of the phone stands out. Unlike past A-series devices that aim to keep a premium feel despite their lower price, the Pixel 9a appears to be more budget-conscious. Instead of the usual metal or glass back, this phone looks like it's made of plastic. While that makes it lighter and possibly easier to hold, it also gives it a less high-end appearance compared to previous Pixel A-series models. Shane Craig compared it to older Nokia Lumia phones, which were known for their durable yet simple plastic designs. For some, this might be a positive change as plastic bodies tend to be more resistant to cracks if dropped. However, others might feel that it takes away from the premium experience that Pixel devices have offered in the past. Another noticeable change is in the camera setup. Google's Pixel lineup is known for its signature camera bar that extends across the back of the phone, but with the Pixel 9a, that design is toned down. The camera bar is now more subtle, sitting closer to the phone's body with only a small ring around the two lenses slightly protruding. While this gives the phone a more minimalistic appearance, it also makes it look more like an entry-level device rather than a mid-range one. But here's something to keep in mind. There's still some uncertainty about this leak. It's unclear whether the Pixel 9a shown in the video is the final version or just a dummy unit. Companies often create dummy models to display the design without revealing the actual internal components. However, since Google's expected announcement is right around the corner on March 19, it's possible that this is close to the final design. Despite these design changes, the Pixel 9a is still expected to offer solid performance. Leaks suggest that it will be powered by Google's Tensor G4 chip, paired with 8 GB of RAM and a 120Hz OLED display. These are impressive specs for a phone in this price range, especially with rumors pointing to a $499 price tag. It seems like Google is prioritizing strong performance while cutting costs in other areas, mainly the body materials. That raises an important question. How durable will this phone be? While plastic backs don't shatter as easily as glass, they can scratch more over time depending on the material used. If Google has opted for a softer plastic, the Pixel 9a might not hold up as well for users who don't use a case. Still, Google's A-series phones have always focused on making high-end features more accessible at a lower price. The Pixel 9a appears to follow that same strategy. Whether the new design will be a drawback depends on how users feel about the shift to a plastic build. What do you think? Does this design change make sense for keeping the price low, or does it make the phone feel too cheap? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.